Okay, guys, I think we are live now. If you guys can hear me clearly, just any of you can let me know in the comments below very, very quickly, and we can get started right away. Okay, can you guys hear me loud and clear? Can you see my screen properly? Very quickly, guys, let me know, right? Started right away. Can you guys let me know if you can see my screen properly, if you can watch me properly? Okay, perfect, perfect. So yeah, Om Prakash is the first person right here. Hello, Om. Good evening. How are you doing, brother? Okay, let's get started. So, guys, the last 24 hours has not been good to say the least, right? And Bitcoin has indeed taken a huge hit. Actually, it corrected by, I don't know, maybe yesterday at our live session we were talking about forming a double bottom, guys, but yeah, that's out of the window right now. Okay, that is something that I can tell you most definitely right away. Okay, that is out of the window for sure, guys, right? Also, if I have to talk about the correction, then the correction was approximately in the last 24 hours. The correction was, yeah, it was about, let me measure this quickly. Right, guys, it was about in today's candle is down about more than 7.5, 8%, right, guys? Uh, Actually, more, actually, it's about close to 9%. So things are not looking good, to be very honest with you. And basically, what I am expecting is, probably we may find some bottom right here. But then again, if wishing anything that, Bitcoin has its own path, it will follow its own path and it will continue in its own path as well, right, guys? So that is something that we have understood from, from what we have seen so far. Okay, and I don't think so. Things are gonna change too much too quickly. Okay, and you know possibly, guys, possibly, if we have to talk about the volume, then the volume is coming in. There was a it was a good volume. If you can see this, right, the last 24 hours the volume was good, actually, right? The volume was perfect. And of course, it wasn't volumes which we had back in May, but it was considerable. It was above the, above the moving average right here, which was fantastic, right? Not fantastic, but yeah, it was good to see that volume at least coming in. At least if we are moving to the downside, we are doing it with conviction. That is something that is important, right, guys? What caused the downfall? Now, if you have been following the global markets, you would notice that every market is correcting right now. We will come to that at a later point of this video, but basically what I want to highlight is we are here to measure Bitcoin, what Bitcoin can do and how it can perform, right? So yeah, it was this was a clear head and shoulders. If it breaks down, it, probably it has broken down already, and possibly $30,000 could be on the cards, right? But what I would like to tell you guys is basically, these kind of wicks. So today the Bitcoin chart had a long wick, if you can say this, where, yesterday, pardon me, yesterday it was a long wick. And these kind of wicks are known to be liquidation wicks, right, guys? This kind of wicks are known to be liquidation guy or wicks. And these liquidated the shorts. And then, just as we were finishing off our live session yesterday, Bitcoin started dumping. And yeah, in the last if I were to talk about the last 48 hours, Bitcoin has come from the highs of about 43,500, and it has dumped by, yeah, it has dumped by more than 13%, guys. It has dumped more than 13% in the last 48 hours itself. And today, and it's actually not 48 hours, we still have 7 hours to go for this for this daily candle to close. Okay, That is something that I'm expecting. The volumes are high. These are all liquidation wicks. I am expecting. I was telling you guys that I'm expecting a volume of similar kind, and but this volume is not that great. Possibly could be another 1 or 2 weeks, could be like here where we get massive volumes like these ones, right? How we got back in 4th of December, right? How we got back here in possibly 7th of September. Then we got huge green volume on the 26th of July as well. And if you to take further left and to look further left, this candle on 19th of May was enormous, wasn't it? Like it was one of the largest volume candles, right, in the history of Bitcoin, right? If you can see this, we can go back and back. Furthermore, probably March of 2020 was the largest one, but the May of 2021 wasn't that shorter as well, guys. Okay, and of course, guys, we predicted that there could be a correction. We told our members as well that basically even people who had reached out to me, I told them that do not open any longs or any shorts. Why was I continuously telling you about it, that you should be you should be extremely cautious if you are opening any future position? Because of the simple fact that these kind of days will come and these will liquidate the longs as well as the shorts. Okay, we will shortly take a look as to how much longs were liquidated and how much was the total liquidation, right? So that is not a good sign at all. Okay, if I have to talk about the the Fibonacci, then of course we have broken below the key level of support, which was the $40,000. And if I would talk about it, possibly, yeah, let me draw the Fibonacci. That would be best, I think. And let me draw it from the top, okay, right from here till this point, okay. And one of the things that we can see right now and that I don't want to see right now is, first of all, guys, these two lines that we have over here, these are the 61.8 and the 65% Fibonacci levels, and I have drawn this from right from the top till the bottom that we made here in, I don't know, probably, yes, this bottom right here that we made, right? And in this was back in June of 2021. So this is something that was important, right? And what we want to see, definitely, this could be a wick, guys. This could very well be a wick. What we want to see is Bitcoin getting above at least the 65% Fibonacci. The red line that you see over here is a 65% Fibonacci. It's at $39,000, $39,063 approximately. You can assume it to be $39,100. Still about 7 hours to go. If we, if we see closure above that, well and good. Otherwise, we are in a continuous downtrend, guys. No doubt about it. Absolutely no doubt. And I personally thought $40,000 could be a bottom. I thought that it still could very well be, right. If this all could be a wick, we can just on the weekly time frame. If we go to the weekly time frame, we still have about 2 days and 8 hours to go. This could very well be a wick, guys. Okay, this could very well be a wick. We can close the week at about $40,000. That could happen very well. If you have been into Bitcoin, you know that about $1,500 is absolutely nothing for Bitcoin to gain. But one of the important things that I want to highlight and bring to your attention is that there are many people out there who are telling you, the bear market is not coming. These are all fake. We are only going up. But on our channel, we are here to tell you that you know bear market is a reality, guys. Okay, it may come uh, right now or it may come later in the year, but it will come. It will most definitely, it will come. Okay, and I am not too bullish about the next week as well. I will be absolutely clear with you. There is a lot of contract expiries that are due, and contract expiries are known to be the days where things don't look bright. Okay, uh, Possibly tomorrow, day after, weekend is coming in, we might not see, huge volume coming into here. Possibly some, even if we may close above $40,100, right? Even if we close above $40,100, does not give us a guarantee that Bitcoin will not go down to the lows of $30,000 in the coming weeks. Okay, guys, please be very, very sure about that. This is absolutely very, very important. Okay. And if I were to talk about, the EMA ribbon right here on the weekly time frame, then the EMA ribbon, we are well below the EMA ribbon. I don't see a chance for Bitcoin to close above the EMA ribbon, right? And this is bearish, guys. This is absolutely, absolutely bearish. And this did not happen back in May, June as well, right? When was the last time this happened? This happened back in March of 2020, right? And we went below the 200 EMA. Now the 200 EMA is coming at around $25,000 right now. I'm not saying that we are going to go below $25,000, but the last time we closed a weekly candle below uh, the weekly EMA ribbon, it actually went to those levels, right? Even in the past as well, whenever we are closing any weekly candles below the 200 week EMA, we are seeing the test of the 200 EMA at least. Okay, this yellow line is 200 EMA, guys. Okay, this is extremely, extremely crucial. What you should be doing, I have mentioned this multiple number of times, and probably what I'm going to look is, probably I did convert a few of my altcoins into Bitcoin. I told you guys about a couple of days back, I did convert a few of them, and few are still there. I will not convert it on a red day for sure, right? But let me tell you, I will probably empty my altcoin bags, right? I'll be absolutely honest with you. I'll empty my altcoin bags, apart from possibly a couple of them. Maybe, I'm not too sure. I haven't checked the price, to be honest. The ones I'm talking about is, definitely Ethereum. I'm not gonna convert the complete Ethereum bag. I'm not possibly not gonna convert my complete Matic position as well, right? But I haven't checked the Matic price yet. If you guys can tell me about Matic, what's the price of Matic, we'll take a look at it. Also, we are gonna take a look at some of the altcoins that you want us to analyze, guys. Okay, this is your channel. We are here for you all the time. Complete day, I was extremely, extremely occupied. Could not come live. I would have loved to come live sometime during the daytime, but because of some other commitments, I could not come live. And but I'm here as always, 10 p.m. India time, every day, whether the market is bleeding or whether it is, it's a greenery, right? I'm here to guide you, here to help you make money. Okay, no doubt about it. Okay, let's. So the next level to watch out for in the Bitcoin price, guys, is, of course, we need a weekly closure above $39,000. Or possibly a daily closure above those regions. That would be fantastic if we are able to get that, because if we are not doing it, closing below 61.8, possibly down, we can head down here as well, right? And if I have to talk about the weekly, and if we take this as the bottom, right? If we take this as a bottom, then again, $35,000 becomes an important level of support. But this would be too much, right? The 61.8 would be at 11,000. I don't think so that's possible. I think so. This is the bottom right here. We have drawn this the bottom right here, and of course, these are the important levels, as we can see right here. Why I say these are extremely important levels? Look at the weekly chart. Look at the candles. One, two, three, four. Four times, guys, we have tried breaking above in the past when we closed a body of a candle below the 61.8 and the 65% Fibonacci, right? That is why we do not want a body of a candle closing below this range. 39,100 to 40,200 is the range to look out for. Okay, this is extremely important. Thank you, Om Prakash, for Matic. I think Matic is holding on well. To be honest, I'm not surprised, but yeah, it's holding on pretty well. And if I will talk about the support as to where the supports are coming in, like look, 1, 2, possibly 3, 4, 5 weeks we have held this as a support. this is extremely crucial. Okay, guys, this is extremely crucial. If we don't close it below above this range, possibly I'll keep you up to date. Like, I come live every day. Possibly I will book some portion of my Bitcoin as well. Okay, and that is something that I will tell you absolutely upfront, right? I don't want to hide anything. Whatever trades I'm taking, I'm sharing them with you, and I treat this as a family, and you have all the rights to know what trades I'm taking, right? Because you guys trust me. I know that I get a lot of messages every day, and I have a responsibility, right, guys? We'll talk about the Gaussian channel again. If you know our channel, we have been following the Gaussian channel on the weekly time frame, guys. Not good, not good. Okay, the center line of the Gaussian channel again 40,255. We do not want a body closing below the center line of the Gaussian channel, guys, because we have held it as support multiple number of times, right? Last time we closed a body right here back in March. So a lot of things are repeating after almost 2 years, guys, right? And it's actually taking quite a lot of toll. What you should be doing now? This is the most important question. I get this question quite a lot. What exactly you should be doing right now? I am tracking this weekly close. I am not taking any trades. Okay. For the past few days, I haven't taken any trades. I can't remember of taking any trade. For the past, I believe for the past 1 month or more than a month, I haven't taken any leverage trade. Okay. Bitcoin is not stable. Last time, possibly, I took it when Bitcoin was near the all-time highs. Back here in 69,000, I did not trade Bitcoin. I think I traded some Bitcoin. I do not remember exactly what it was. I am not taking any trade whatsoever, guys. Okay, this is extremely important to understand, and it's up to you what you want to do. But I just want to share my perspective. Okay, if I were to talk about the volume, where is the maximum volume coming in on the daily time frame? Now this becomes extremely crucial on the daily, right, guys? To be honest, things are not looking good. This was the important volume range. On the downside, there's not much, to be honest, right? On the downside, if we are bouncing off these volume ranges. Okay, if we are bouncing on these volume ranges, these are okay, but not so great like how we used to have right here, right, guys? This is important to understand again. And I'm not taking any trades. That's for sure. Whether you should be taking any trades, I am not too sure. Okay. Now, what I want to show you is possibly why I'm telling you not to take any trades, right? If we just go to coinglass.com, this tells us the liquidation that has happened for Bitcoin and some of the other coins as well, right? Look at this, guys. In the last 24 hours, $873 million have been liquidated. Not good. Not good at all. Okay. This is combination of all the things. If I take a look at here for Bitcoin of course being the leader, 324 million got liquidated in Bitcoin, 250 got liquidated in Ethereum, 22 million got liquidated in Solana, then Polkadot, Cardano, Luna, everything is falling, right, guys? Not a good place to be in. Okay, not a good place to be in. Again, if you can see here, all the longs got liquidated right here, right? Binance leading the chart. Again, Binance, one of the leading exchanges in the world. Binance has a liquidation of actually had a liquidation of $241 million, right, guys? That includes the longs as well as the shorts. Yes, the shorts also got liquidated in the last 24 hours. We'll shortly see that as well. Like, if we go to the 4 hourly right here, you will see quite a lot of shorts are getting liquidated as well, because at around $39,000 there was a huge short position that was opened, right? And 39,000, 38,000, around those ranges. Now, once we are seeing this kind of a pump in the Bitcoin price, like not a pump, but yeah, some kind of a movement to the upside, possibly, guys, I know and that's the reason why the shorts also got liquidated. This is the exact reason I am asking you guys that please do not open any leverage position. Okay, these are very dangerous times. Please be very cautious with your hard earned money. I don't want you to lose out on any money. Okay, please be very cautious on that. Again, if I talk about historical liquidation, Binance, all kinds of altcoins are getting liquidated because Bitcoin is getting liquidated. All other altcoins are getting liquidated as well. Okay. Now, if I would talk about, I spoke about this yesterday as well about the open interest stuff. The open interest actually tells us, when exactly is, your this thing scheduled. Again, guys, 28 is going to be bloody. Let me tell you this. Okay, 22nd is 20. Yeah, I think 22nd is. I don't think so. 22nd is 22nd today. 21st. 22nd is also gonna be bloody. Okay, I assume that I could be 100% wrong. I could be wrong here, guys. Okay, that's a disclaimer. I could be wrong, but what I see from this chart right here, possibilities are could be a red day tomorrow as well. What does that mean? Where are we going for with the Bitcoin price? Not too sure. Are we going straight to $30,000? I don't think so. Whether will this particular day, 28th of January 2022, very important day, guys. Very important. Please mark this on your calendar. Okay, extremely important. Why? Last Friday of the month, monthly expiries are due, and I'm expecting another dump. I'm expecting another dump to happen, guys. Crypto world, my friend, I just told you, asked you, please do not open any leverage position now. Okay, please do not do that because I don't want you to lose money. I treat you guys as family. We are all in this together. We are all in this to make money. Okay. It is my responsibility to tell you guys, to ask you guys, to share my opinion, whatever honest opinion I have. Please do not open any short or long position now. It's okay sometimes not to trade. Okay, please understand this, right? Look at this volume, guys. This is the 24-hour liquidation volume. Look at the percentage. The liquidation volume has gone up 600%. That's 7x of the previous 24 hours. Not good, guys. The market is not in a good position. Please understand. Please do not open any positions, especially leverage positions, right? Please do not do that. Please do not fall for it. I request you, it's my humble request, please stay away from it. Please stay away from falling prey to these exchanges, to these influencers, uh, to the whales. All right, please do not fall prey to them. Okay. Uh, if I were to talk about, guys, again, crypto liquidations, as you can see right here, CoinDCX or Cointelegraph also coming in. 700 million of all altcoins take a hit from Bitcoin sinking below 40,000. We have already discussed this. Bitcoin dumps to 6 months low near $38,000. Again, quite, the news that we have covered already. But what is causing this what is causing this downfall? If you can see, this is the S&P 500, guys, right? For people in the US, this is very important. I'll also cover the Sensex and the Nifty for people in India as well, as to how these are also not doing too well. Okay, if I have to take a look, guys, at S&P 500, it made an all-time high back on January 2022. Okay, was this the all-time high? Yes, it was. How much have we corrected by? S&P 500 already corrected by 8%. Trust me, guys, 8% in the in the stock market is a huge deal. It's absolutely massive, right? If I were to talk about only the last 24 hours, okay, just yesterday and today combined, it's actually more than, it's close to 4%. Okay, that it has been that bad for the complete, for the complete, for the world, right? This is the US index that we are looking at. If you guys know Nasdaq, let's take a look at Nasdaq, how Nasdaq is doing. I closely follow Nasdaq as well. How is Nasdaq doing? It's down, guys, right? It went down today, it's in a green zone. Good. But if you can see from here again, 5th of November, I think Bitcoin, when did Bitcoin top out, guys? Bitcoin topped out at around 10th of November. Nasdaq topped out at around the 5th of November, right, guys? From the 5th of November, how much has Nasdaq pulled down? Let's take a quick look. And I think this was the all-time high for Nasdaq, right? Nasdaq has pulled down by approximately, my friends, 17%. In the conservative market, if in the stock market, if we are correcting by 20%, that's a bear market. And we were expecting this kind of bear market. If you have been following our channel, we have told this multiple number of times. Look at the whales, not only the crypto whales, the whales like Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, few other guys. They have record cash in their hands. They might give excuses that, people told me I had accountability towards people, that's why I sold. No, guys. They know this game. They are the ones who are manipulating this game. That is the reason why they have record cash in their hands. They want to buy. Okay? They want to buy at every possible dip. And the dip is not yet here. Okay? If for Bitcoin $69,000 was the peak, mark my words, guys, we are going to $25,000 at least. At least $25,000. People might say this bull market is different from the other ones. Possibly it is. It might not correct by 85%, but it has all the chances to correct by 75%, 80% even. Where will that put us? Where will a 75% correction put us, guys? Okay. Don't have the chart right here. Okay. 75% correction will put us at $17,000, guys. $17,000. That's where a 75% correction will put us. Now, I don't think that it's going that low, to be honest. The worst case for me is, of course, the 200 week. The 200 week right now is at $19,300 approximately. Okay. 19,300, possibly we can go to $18,000. Who knows? Do we have a guarantee that we are going there? I don't think so. Are we sure? Are we going to test the 100 week, which is at 39,400? Well, logically, if I have to speak about, then since we are treating the 50 week as resistance multiple number of times, there is no, I will not be surprised if it goes to the 100 week and then bounces off. Who knows? Possibly it may. Okay, it may happen, guys. Again, for my friends in India, here's a look at the Nifty 50. Let's take a look at it, how it has been performing. Not, isn't it? I was doing some kind of analysis back here. I don't know. It was a long time back, probably, right? I think it was back in early of 2021. I was doing some analysis right here. When was Nifty made its high? October 2021. We did dump. We formed a beautiful double bottom here. Ideally, it should be pumping. Well, it did pump, right? It did pump. This is a very good support level right here. If you just look at this, this is a good support region. Why? This is the neckline of the double bottom. We have come down here. We tested it. This is good from the Nifty perspective. But my friends, the world market is unstable right now. Okay, the world market is very, very unstable right now. Any technical analysis will hold true if the market is in a normal situation. If the market is holding true, then all TA will come into the picture. If I talk about Nifty, my friends, how much has it dumped? 12%. How much time did it take? Well, not much, did it? Less than 1.5 months to be precise, or less than, actually, it was a little bit above 2 months, right? Actually, there are Saturdays and Sundays, this market is closed. That's why we have the bar counting as low. But yeah, it's at about 65 days, 63 days approximately, right? Things are not looking too bright at this point of time. Let me be very, very clear with you. Okay. Absolutely, absolutely. Please take this into consideration, even if you're not holding crypto, even if you have positions in stock market as well. Please be cautious. Very, very cautious, right? And the way the US is printing the money, look at this. This is the money supply, right? I wanted to show you guys this. Look at the sharp curve it has taken since February of 2020. This is not sustainable, guys. The only option is Bitcoin. But for the short term, Bitcoin needs some correction. It is going to get some correction. And if they cut out on the money supply, which they have, if you can see this right here, a little bit downward curve. It has come down a little bit. This clearly indicates, guys, that deflation might be coming. A lot of people are talking about inflation. But if the interest rates are hiked by the Fed in the US, deflation might be on our way. And that is not good for Bitcoin, right? Over a long period of time, absolutely, 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 money is going to lose its value over a period of time, and Bitcoin is going to gain more and more. That's why I tell you, hodl and forget. Do not indulge in day trading. Because if you are involved in day trading every day, then the chances of you making money is very, very less, my friends. Very, very less. Okay? Please understand this. Okay. If you like this content, please smash up the like button, guys. Make some noise. I believe I'm adding some. I do not know whether I'm adding some value to you for your portfolio, for for your financial future. I do not know that. But if you like what we are doing right here, if you want us to reach out to more people, if you want us to change more lives, please smash up the like button. Please share this with your friends and family. I get a lot of people reach out to me to share their financial goals, financial struggles with me. Now, I cannot discuss this right here, but guys, we are here to change the lives. Crypto has the power to change the lives, guys. Okay? And this is coming straight from the heart. Please protect your money. That's all. Got a bit emotional today. Anyways, because I got a few people telling me that I have opened some long positions and basically I got liquidated. Do not feel well when people get liquidated, guys. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, feel free to share them on the chat. We'll take the questions now. today's conversation. Today it was more of a conversation rather than an analysis. I tried to share my point of view. I'm not entering any long positions, not entering any short positions as of now. Just possibly a few tokens I have shared them with you. Possibly I'll buy a few of you. Okay, but not before the weekly closure for sure. If you have any questions, please share them right away, guys. And by the way, let's take a look on the top, the top gainers and the top losers. I don't think so there are any gainers in the top 100. I may be wrong. Let me refresh this coin gecko right here. Let me refresh it. Okay, it's a sea of it's a sea of blood. That's what it is. It's an ocean of blood. But these are the days which will teach us a lot, guys. Makes us mentally very, very strong. Okay, guys? All right, then. All right, guys. If I were to talk about the top, okay, if I were to talk about the top losers again, even Bitcoin is down 11%, right? Top gainers, even stable coins are down 0.3%. Everything is in red, right? No point in talking. Look at the market cap; it's down 11% in the last 24 hours. I think just a couple of days back we spoke about a head and shoulders pattern getting formed on the market cap chart. Kamal, I'll share my views on ICP. I'll do that. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. The total market cap has hit 11% downfall today, 11.2% below $1.91 trillion, guys. Biggest losers in the top 100, Pocket Network down 22%, Secret down 21.6%, Loopring down 20%, Cardina down 19.5%. I shared this with you guys. I'm sorry for that. Near token down 19%. This was also something that we liked very much. And Sandbox down 17.7%, ENJ down 17.6%, Phantom down 17%. Not a good day at all. Not a good day, right? And yeah, if I would talk about the total market cap, let's see where the total market cap is right now. Then I'll come to ICP, guys. And if you have any other tokens, if you want me to analyze any other thing, okay, feel free to share that with us. This is the head and shoulders that we were talking about, guys. I drew this, I think, a couple of days back on the chart. I haven't come back yet on this chart. This is live, so there's no point for me to edit or do anything of that sort. If I have to take a quick measurement right here, technically, the price target is coming. Sorry, the target is coming to $1.55 trillion. Down about 13% from the current prices. Very, very much possible. Very much possible, guys. Okay. I'm going to leave it this way. I'm going to leave it this way. Let's see how it performs. Let's see how it goes. Our target is down here at $1.55 trillion. Okay. Let us see how it goes. What do you guys say? I'll not touch it. I'll be honest with you guys. I will not touch this chart. Okay. Just let it be this way. Let's see what our analysis is saying, if it is correct or not. Okay. Let's go to ICP. Someone had requested about ICP. I think it was Kamal. Thank you, Kamal, for sharing your question with us. ICP, guys, ICP is at $24. I remember the time ICP got listed. Some of our premium members, they sold ICP at crazy value, I think $400, $450 the day it got listed, right? And look at it where it is today. Like, it has lost more than, I think it has lost more than 99% of the value, to be very honest with you guys. It made a high of 2,831. This is absolutely crazy. From here to now, it has lost 99% of the value. Anyways, jokes apart, if I would talk about So, Kamal, would you like to know your views, like my views about ICP on the short run or in the long run? Which way? Kamal, if you are there, if you can share your thoughts. Okay, on the daily time frame, let us take a look at the RSI. What the RSI is telling us, it was a clear double top pattern right here on the first week of January. Correction was mandatory. We got this huge correction, and yes, no divergence whatsoever. Short term, okay, short term. If I have to talk about, then let me go to the 4 hourly time frame. That would be better for you guys. Again, please understand that all of this depends on Bitcoin. Possibly a bear flag is getting formed. I'll just show you where is the bear flag and what does this indicate. Possibly further downfall is expected for ICP. Here is our bear flag, guys. This is the flag right here. This is the pole. What happened? Okay. Yeah, this is the pole right here, and the price target is about $20. About $20. If I have to do a quick measurement from the current price, it's another correction of about 18%, which looks possible to me. Okay, I may be I may be wrong here, but that's what I feel personally. Stochastic RSI 4 hourly doesn't matter much. The blue line is above the red line, and it has entered the zone above 20, which is a good sign. But you know, basically, what we can expect is if Bitcoin continues moving sideways, then this might move. Otherwise, we might see correction on the 4 hourly, at least on the shorter time frame. These are the things that I see. If I were to talk about the important levels of support and resistances, first the RSI, sorry, first the Fibonacci. From the Fibonacci, what we can see right here, let me reverse it if I may. Yes, guys, I think it's on the cards. The 261.8 is coming straight to our target, $20. Right? We are broken below the 161.8, which is 26. Possibly, we will be going to $20. That's what I feel about uh, ICP. Okay. And any other token that you guys want me to? Emmanuel says IMX. IMX. Which token is IMX? I'm not sure which one is IMX. Immutable X. Okay, Immutable X is a ZK rollup project, which I I believe in it. I believe that Immutable X IMX could be one of the top projects if the market continues or enters into a bull run. Otherwise, if you want me to do a technical analysis, I'm not sure this has IMX data. Technical have IMX? Yes, we do. We have IMX on FTX exchange. Let's see what's going on with IMX. Sorry, guys, my computer is taking a big hit today. I was very busy, to be honest. Okay, IMX, here it is. It has continued its downfall. Currently, we are getting some support. If you break $2.96, I think we might test $2. $2.10, $2.08 might be on the cards for IMX as well, guys. Okay, I'll be absolutely honest with you. On the daily time frame, let us see. We are in a continuous downtrend. This is absolutely, this is clear, right, guys? This is absolutely clear, and yes, we are in a downtrend, guys. We are in a downtrend, and the RSI is also not telling much, to be honest. The stochastic RSI is down as well. uh, Again, if Bitcoin is not moving up or moving sideways, possibly then these altcoins will continue to struggle. Look out for 27th and 28th of this month, extremely crucial. And second week of February, I think I have some hope around that time, guys. Okay, right. Any other question, guys? Any other questions? Very quickly. Otherwise, we will be, uh, you know, we'll be closing it for the day then. If you guys have any questions, if you guys don't have any questions, right? Any question, guys? By the way, guys, we are going to cover more and more NFT projects, right? NFTs are on a bull run. We are going to do it on a daily basis, right? Starting probably this Sunday, we are going to cover NFTs or the IDOs on a daily basis. It's either going to be an NFT project or an IDO project on a daily basis, right? That's a commitment. Apart from this live session where we do the TA for all the coins, I want you guys to, look into NFTs. NFTs are here to stay. Okay, that is definitely something that we are going to analyze for you guys. Okay, I believe there are no further questions or anything. Guys, I'm not sure about Mark. I'm not sure about the comment. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, trade wisely. Rather, do not trade for the next few days. Okay. Do not trade, just be on the fence, watch from the sidelines. Okay. For people who have invested into the ROR NFTs, who have shown interest, we are going to do something big on that as well. Right, guys? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. If you like the content, please share this with your WhatsApp family, friends, college groups. Because, guys, if you are in your 20s, if you're in your early 30s, this is the time, guys. Okay, help people, other people change their lives as well, right? How you can do that? Possibly by sharing your knowledge, in which we might be just a small contribution, but share more and more knowledge, guys. That's how the society is going to improve. That's how all of us are going to improve, right? Thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye for now.